let's do something a little different this time. Definitely the Black Cats, they're all right. I mean, you know, I still don't really understand how they're worth so much, but to each his own. There's a lot of shoes out there that's worth a lot that I just don't understand how they're worth a lot, I guess. I mean, everybody has their little forte, you know what I'm saying? For me, I like simple and plain, so the Black Cats is cool. I wish I had a better pair, but maybe in the future I'll get a better pair. But these are cool. Go ahead and check out Danny 10. He's got some okay stuff. I'll give him a baby stamp of approval. They look good, but it's not comparing to what I've seen some other people have.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we got the Jordan 4 Black Cats from my guy Danny Chen. He sent these joints over. He asked me to do a video for him. I've seen a lot of these circulating in the last maybe month or so. So I wanted to get a pair for myself just to see what the hype was about. Now, I can at least say that some of the versions that I've seen are definitely better than these ones. I think these ones are more of like a grade below some of the ones that I've seen. However, these do have a couple features on it that I think are more accurate than some of the versions that I've seen that's out, if that makes any sense. But before I jump into all of that, just make sure you guys remember this is a UA shoe, it's not a retail. So this is just an educational video for educational purposes. I know this shoe is going for a lot of money on StockX and Go right now. I think it's like 1,000 or something like that in a size 10.5, 11. This is a size 11. So they're going for a pretty penny if you guys want to go after the resale market and get a retail pair. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, thumbs up the video if you can. I appreciate it. It helps the channel out a lot. Make sure you guys follow me on IG. Also, join the Discord. The Discord is growing, and it's growing rapidly. All right, so let's just jump into the shoe real quick. It's not really a lot to go over with these Black Cats. Main thing is that it's a Jordan 4 silhouette and it's all black, and that's pretty much it. I mean, really with a shoe like this, the main thing you want to look at is construction and shape and all of that. And one of the things that I can say about the Black Cat 4s, besides the fact that it's super expensive for whatever reason, is an all black shoe with nubuck always draws a lot of lint. It's always gonna have lint and things like that on it, like you guys can see right here. That stuff's gonna show up. Like, all of this will always show up on your shoe. There's nothing you can do about it. It's kind of like the Bread 4, like, you know, when it gets lint on it, it's over, it's a wrap. There's nothing that you can do about it. It's just linty, that's it. Let's just break down the shoe real quick. So we have a nubuck upper, and mostly the whole upper is nubuck. I mean, it doesn't have that wing on here that is the polyurethane wing. It doesn't have the polyurethane heel tab or the heel counter. It doesn't have any of that. All of this is nubuck material. And then you have your waffles, and then you have your cage here. Looks pretty good. The only thing is, I've seen different versions of this shoe from other people that review shoes, that review UAs particularly, and their shape of their shoe is a lot better. Like, the shape of this one is okay, but the toe box particularly, like right here where the cut of the leather is, I think that this is a little too high. It does look good as it curbs, but I think that this cut right here of this nubuck is just a little too high. I think it should be slanted more, it should be sloped more, but that's just me. I mean, they make these shoes so different from one another, and I know not one shoe is the same. I keep saying that in a lot of my videos, but that specifically, I think, is something that kind of stands out to me, as the toe box height and then like the shape of the toe box itself. Even though it looks okay, I think that this seems a little incorrect to me. Also, the grade of the nubuck, I think that this grade of nubuck on this particular shoe, it's not similar to what I've seen other reviewers have in their possession. I think that their nubuck just looks a lot better. It looks more so like a really short-haired suede, if that makes any sense. This is kind of like a felt material or something like that. It doesn't feel like a real nubuck material. Like it kind of looks like nubuck, but it's that weird like stuff that they put on Jordan 1 mids. That's what this is. And I think it's on the Jordan 4 Bred as well. I think this is a similar fabric or whatever, but it's just not, it doesn't give that ashy appearance that you would see on like the retail pair or some of the other better quality UA pairs. That's why I think that this is maybe like a step below what like a Trader Joe's or a Kiku or Ulrika or something like that would be. But that's just my opinion. Now, what I think that they did get right on these is this midsole piece. Now, if you watch Wear Tester's video when he did the video of these, his midsole looked like this. It wasn't all extra shiny. It had a little bit of gloss to it like this, but it wasn't super high gloss like some other people. Some people that have been reviewing these shoes have a really, really shiny midsole right here, and it's just not supposed to be that shiny. It's not supposed to be outshining the bubble. Like, that's just not what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to be kind of matted out a little bit, got a little gloss to it, but not high gloss. Going to the heel of the shoe, I think that looks pretty good. And you kind of, you know, this is a perfect example. Like, this Jumpman should be matching this right here. It should be matching the midsole piece here. So that's just one of the telltale signs. As you guys can see, the heel right here where this cut of leather, it looks pretty good. It's definitely lined up well, so that looks good. You got that mesh piece here. This could have been a little bit better. It could have been lined up a little bit better, but you know, beggars can't be choosers, so it is what it is, right? The cage of the shoe looks pretty good. This is also supposed to be like that similar glossy look to this, and then as well as this. So that's another thing in the Wear Testers video he talked about. So that's accurate as well. Cage at the toe looks pretty good, not too bad there. You got your black laces going up, your flight right here, got your Jumpman. So that doesn't look too bad. I don't think that this is accurate. I think that this is supposed to be black and gray. I don't think it's supposed to be black and white. We got a standard shoe tree with these joints. Our insole is black with the white Jumpman in there, which I think is accurate right there. And then you got your size and tag down in there. So outsole is black with the white Jumpman. So not bad. I mean, I think the shoe looks pretty good. It looks okay. Not a bad make right here from a new seller, Danny Chen. I just think that it's not the normal quality that I'm accustomed to seeing, but it's still decent. It's okay. You know what I mean? It's not bad. I think that the left shoe's toe box looks a little bit better than the right shoe's toe box. I think that this one's curved a little bit more than, yeah, this is kind of the way you want it to be. This one looks a lot better than this one. And you know, sometimes it just be like that. It just be like that. But I think that this toe box, see how that shape is right there? But then y'all see how this toe box is kind of like still like peeling up a little bit, but this one is kind of like flat. Like, that's kind of what we want to see with that. But you know, beggars can't be choosers. So you know what I mean? I'm just appreciative that they allowed me to review a shoe for them. You know what I'm saying? So in all, the shoe is okay. I mean, it's not really a thing that I think is extravagant. It's not like it's a Union or something like that, or an OG classic, but it's still an all right shoe. You know, all black something. I still don't see what all the hype is about, but it is what it is. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 7. Just because of some of the inaccuracies. I don't think the nubuck is right. I think it's supposed to be a little bit more suede looking. I think the toe box as well could have been a little bit better. That is what it is. I can't really rate the color. I think it's just a black shoe. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope the review was informative for you. If you guys want to reach out to Danny Chen or find out any other seller information, just make sure you guys join the Discord. We'll try and help you out. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one.